Alright, so today we're going to go over how to install R on your computer. Today I'm using a Mac, but it's pretty much the same on a Windows machine. So to install R, all you need to do is Google R project or something related to R. And you will get the website right here, the R project for statistical computing. You have a couple options. You can install for Windows, or you can install for Mac Osx. So if we were in a Windows machine, we click on this link. And right up here, you can see download R 4.0.2, which is the current version of R for Windows. Click on that. And if you allow it to download, it will download the .exe file. The Mac can't open this file, so it's useless to us. But if you have a Windows machine, you'll be able to run it no problem. If instead we are on a Mac, which we are right now, we go to R for Mac Osx, click on that. You notice the screen's a little bit different than the Windows screen. Right here, it says r-4.0.2.pkg. That's a package file. That's the type of file that OSX recognizes as a program. You click on that, and it will download. Either you'll have to ask it to allow the download, or it'll do it automatically. For either of those downloads, depending on if you're a Windows or a Mac user, you just install those like you would any other program. The next step is to install RStudio, which is the program we're going to use to work with R and to write our R scripts during the class. All you do is go back to Google and type in RStudio. And here's the website, rstudio.com. You can click on Download RStudio. And once that loads up, you need to choose your version. There's only one version we're going to use here, and that's the free version. See here, RStudio Desktop, open source license free. We do not need the commercial license. We're not paying any money for this. So you click on Download, and then it will pop up this window. You notice here it says Download RStudio for Mac. If you're on a Windows PC, it will know automatically, and this will say Download RStudio for Windows. You click on that. It downloads, and then you install that just like you installed R. What's really important is you need to make sure to install R first, and then you install RStudio. Once RStudio is installed, you open it up, and you should be greeted with a screen that looks very similar to this. And here on the left-hand side is the R console itself. This is the world we're going to be working in for the rest of the semester. There are some other windows that we'll talk about in class, but at this point, just be able to get this screen and you're set to go.